I'm having a very timely reminder that when it comes to doing a van conversion, the importance of doing things in the right order. I've come across something which is a right pain in the ass. So I'm coming to the next part of my Solway panel set installation, which, as you can see here, is the wheel arch covers. Now, at first glance, you might think, "Whoa, that looks absolutely fine." If I pull this away, because it's not fixed yet, we can see a problem. It's much taller than the wheel arch. How much taller? Well, guess what? It's about 4-ish centimeters when it's actually pushed in, you know, between this point here and that point there. Why is that? I know exactly why it is now. It's because on my floor I've got 25mm of PIR board and battens under there, and 12mm of plywood, which add the two together is 37. Yeah, this bad boy needed to go in before the floor went in, because this sits down on the metal of the van, not on top of the floor. So what to do? I mean, the easy answer, of course, is basically just to fix it down and screw it in, basically just like it is. I would get some fixings here where these bits of metal are, and get that in, so it would hold nice and secure. But of course, it's going to be very, very bendy on the top here, because there's nothing underneath there for that to touch. The better solution, although it's the longer and the pain in the neck solution, is going to be to take the floor up and set this down and put the floor back on the top. So I think what I'm going to do is, because this is actually the smallest piece of flooring, if you see where these joins are all the way back, I'm just going to pop that one out and have a look and see just how involved that is to try and get that down underneath and get it into the right position. So let me do that now. Okay, so I got the plywood up, and I think I'm going to give it a go of getting that down to floor level, because it's just 2 pieces to take out. And what I'm going to do, I think, is where this beam is here, there, and they've got the same on this corner here. I'm not going to try and take those up, because of course they go right the way across all the way under the floor, and that's going to be a right pain. So if I just offer that in, what I'm going to do is chop the lip off of it there, and cut the lip away here, so that it actually sits down in, because of course once the floor's back on the top here, you're not going to see any of that whatsoever. So I think that's going to be the solution to that. So let me get these bits of insulation back out again. I've lost bloody track of how many times this has been in and out, but hey, that's part of the joys of van building, isn't it? Let me get these out and see if we can get this fitted. Okay, well, there we go. Actually, that didn't take too long at all. So I've cut it around the beam there, and cut a little notch for that beam there. Now you can actually see the top of the wheel arch bits sticking out, which is better. And in the middle here, we're actually just about touching there and touching there. So it's much more solid like that. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That was well worth doing, and I think when I get these bits of insulation back into place, they will go like so, and then that's all nicely underneath. Ah, perfect. Right, that's a plan then. So let me do the same on the other side.